How to remove ban from OmeTV. If any day you are an OmeTV user and you would like to remove the ban from OmeTV but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be a Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well. After you check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not, you have to go to the Google Chrome on your mobile device. After you proceed to the Google Chrome on your mobile device, you have to go to the search icon and then you have to search remove ban from OmeTV. Now, after you tap on remove ban from OmeTV, you have to just search there, and after you search, you can see an interface like this. Now, you have to wait for a while. You can see a lot of steps out there. You can go to any of the method on how you can remove your ban on OmeTV on the mobile device. You can just go and search it, and you can know that if you are banned for no reason. And again, you can go and type on help OmeTV on your very mobile device. After you tap on help OmeTV on your mobile device, you can see an interface like this. Now you can go to the first option, that is OmeTV video chat option. After you tap on that, you can see an interface like this. You have to wait for a while. You can go to the three lines on the top, and after you go to the three lines on the top, you can go to the option of the start there, and you can directly start the chat on your very Google Chrome itself, or you have to just download it on your mobile device, and then you can just chat with the very OmeTV user there. Otherwise, what you can do is you can just go back, and after going back, you can go to the option of contact OmeTV supporter customer service support, and after tapping on that, you can see an interface like this, and you can type any of your comments that you have here, and this way your problem can be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.